Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up CapCut Pro for viral shorts editing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, download and install CapCut Pro from your App Store. Open CapCut Pro on your device. Create a new project by tapping on the plus icon. Select the aspect ratio suitable for shorts, typically 9:16. Import your video clips from your gallery by tapping on the import icon. Drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline. To trim your clips, tap on a clip and select the scissor icon. Adjust the length of your clips by dragging the edges. Add transitions between clips for a smoother flow, found in the Transitions menu. Tap on Effects to browse through various visual effects you can apply. Select an effect and customize its duration and intensity. For text, tap on the Text button and choose Add Text. Type your preferred text and adjust the font, size, and color as needed. Position the text on the screen by dragging it to your desired location. Consider adding music by tapping on the audio button and selecting your track. Adjust the volume levels to ensure the music complements your video. To enhance the video, explore filters and select one that matches your theme. Preview your project by tapping the play button to check for any adjustments. Once satisfied, tap on the Export button in the upper right corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate for the final video. Finally, tap on Export to save your short video to your device. Your project is now ready to be shared on social media platforms as a viral short. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.